Danby dishwashers in 2025 feature advanced error detection systems and user-friendly reset procedures that can resolve many common issues without requiring professional service. Resetting your dishwasher clears temporary errors, refreshes the control system, and can resolve issues ranging from minor glitches to specific error codes. There are three main reset methods you should know. The first and simplest method is the soft reset, also called a power reset. Simply unplug your dishwasher from the electrical outlet for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in. This clears temporary errors and is effective for most minor issues. The second method is the control panel reset. Press and hold the Start Cancel button for 3 to 5 seconds until the display clears. Some models require holding both heated dry and normal wash buttons simultaneously instead. For persistent issues, use the hard reset method. Turn off and unplug the dishwasher, then turn off the water supply valve. Wait 15 to 20 minutes, reconnect the water supply, plug in the dishwasher, and run a test cycle. Always start with the simplest reset method first. Try the soft reset before moving to control panel reset, and only use the hard reset for persistent issues. This approach saves time and prevents unnecessary complications. Danby dishwashers use specific error codes to help you identify and resolve problems quickly. Understanding these codes can save you time and money by allowing you to fix many issues yourself. The E1 error indicates a water supply problem. This usually means water isn't reaching your dishwasher properly. Check that your water supply valve is fully open and inspect the inlet hose for any kinks or blockages. The E2 error signals a drainage problem. This is the most common error, occurring when water cannot drain properly from your dishwasher. You'll need to clear the drain hose and clean the filter assembly. The E3 error relates to water temperature problems. Your dishwasher needs hot water at the right temperature to clean effectively. The recommended setting is 120 degrees Fahrenheit at your water heater. The E4 error indicates a door latch malfunction. This prevents your dishwasher from starting or completing its cycle. Make sure the door is properly closed and the latch mechanism is clean and functioning. Newer Danby dishwashers feature advanced smart technology. These models include Wi-Fi connectivity and mobile app integration, allowing you to perform remote diagnostics and resets from your smartphone. Regular maintenance can prevent most error codes from occurring. Perform monthly cleaning cycles, check and clean filters every few weeks, and run hot water before starting your dishwasher to ensure optimal performance. If you've attempted resets multiple times without success, it's time to contact a professional. Document the error codes and reset attempts you've tried, as this information will help the technician diagnose the problem more efficiently.